Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. New from Dorman this month is our exclusive nitrogen oxide sensors for popular Ram diesels from 2016 to 2014. These direct replacement sensors are attached to the vehicle's exhaust with an integrated nitrogen oxide controller to detect nitrogen oxide levels in the exhaust system. Due to extreme operating temperatures, we have pre-applied an anti-seize coating for extra protection against warping and cracking. Nitrogen oxide sensors are an ideal replacement part for trucks that must comply with state emissions regulations. Additionally, our nitrogen oxide sensors are plug-and-play for easy installation. Dorman now offers an automatic transmission shift indicator for Mercedes-Benz C and CLK series from 2009 to 2001. The automatic transmission shift indicator is located beside the gear shift assembly, indicating the position of the transmission gear when you move the shifter. Dorman's direct replacement shift indicator is designed to match the overall aesthetics of the original, refreshing the appearance of your vehicle's interior after a cracked or damaged indicator. Without a proper functioning shift indicator, you can accidentally engage the wrong gear and injure your car's occupants or others around you on the road. Also new this month is a pigtail connector multi-function switch for over 2 million Chrysler vehicles from 2010 to 2000. The original connector frequently fails due to overheating within the electrical circuit, eventually causing various electronic safety features to malfunction throughout the vehicle, like turn signals, headlights, hazard lights, and much more. For a complete repair, new wire terminals are provided separately from the connector to reuse undamaged wire terminals. Dorman now offers an exclusive differential mount for over 4 million GM vehicles on the road today from 2016 to 2007. Differential mount holds the front or rear differential to the vehicle's suspension. All of our differential mounts are manufactured from quality material for a longer service life and increased durability. Dorman's growing category of engine auxiliary water pumps now includes expanded coverage for popular GM make and models from 2013 to 2008. The auxiliary water pump provides coolant to the heater core, ensuring heat is supplied to the vehicle's cab. With over 20 SKUs available, covering more than 5 million vehicles on the road today, all of Dorman's auxiliary water pumps are manufactured from quality materials for durability and a longer service life. Additionally, they are direct replacements, ensuring a proper fit every time. Also available this month, Ford electronic throttle body, Volkswagen engine valve cover, over 15 control arm bushings, 10 new leaf springs, and over 20 door mirror assemblies.